Hello student, welcome to my maths class. Today we shall learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. So let us solve some examples. HTO ones, tens, hundred. So 154 minus 29 HTO. Next example, 582 minus 45. Next, ones, tens, hundred. It is 670 minus 238. Ones, tens, hundred. So it is 378 minus 169. So here 4 minus 9. 9 is greater than 4, so we cannot subtract 4 9 from 4 9 from 4. So we take what? We borrow 1 from this 5. So this 5 in which place? It is tens place. So if we take from there 1, then we take 1 tens. 1 tens equal to what? 1 tens equal to 10, and therefore that means here is 14. They are not 4, 14. 14. So 14 minus 9. 14 we use line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We cut how many lines? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here remain 5. So 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Next, we this 5 we borrow 1, then there remain 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cut 2, then remain 2, and there remain 1. Answer is 125. Next example, 2 minus 5 we can't, because 2 is small and 5 is big. Then we borrow 1 from 8. Then there is 12. Not 2, it is 12. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 equal to, we use line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We cut how many 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and from 8 we borrow 1, then there remains 7. 7 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, remain 1, 2, 3, 3. and there remain 5. Next example, there is 0. 0 minus 8 can't, then borrow 1 from 7, then there is 10. 10 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We cut 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remain 1, 2. So here 2, and from this 7 we borrow 1, there remains 6. 6 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 3, 1, 2, 3 equal to 1, 2, 3. Here remain 3, and there 6 remain. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Next, here 8. 8 is small, 9 is big. That's why we borrow 1 from this 7, then there is 18. And there remains 6. Here 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Here 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. There 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 209. Next example, it is we use this ones tens and 100 again. It is 433 minus 216. Next, 698 minus 689. Next, 842 minus 24. Next, 260 minus 201. Here 3 is small, 6 is big, so we can't subtract from 3 to 6. We borrow 1, then there is 13, and there remain 2. There is 13. 13 minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Next, here remain 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, here 8 and minus 9 cannot, then borrow 1, then there is 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. There remain 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. There remain 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, there is 2. 2 minus 4 cannot, because 2 small and 4 big. We borrow 1, then there is 12, and there remain 3. 12 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. Then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, is equal to 1, and there remain 8. Next, 0 minus 1 cannot we cannot subtract, because what there 1 is 0 is small, 1 is big, nothing is there, then carry 1, then there is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. We give line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We cut 1, remain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So sorry, here 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We cut 1, remain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here remain 9, and from this 6 1 borrow there, then there remain 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, example, 369 minus 73. Next, 628 minus 331. Next, 937 minus 852. Next, 266 minus 175. Now we solve these examples. Here 9 minus 3, we use line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We cut how many? 3. 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Next, there are 6 minus 7 cannot, because 6 is small and 7 is big. We borrow 1 from these 3. Then there is 16. There is 16 minus 7. So we use lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Minus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here remain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, 16 minus 3 is equal to 16 minus 7 is equal to 9, and from this 3 we borrow 1, then there remain 296. Next, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. They are 12. 2 minus 3 can't, then carry borrow 1, then it is 12. They are not to 12. And from 6 we borrow 1, then there remain 5. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and there 3 minus 5 can't, because 3 is small and 5 is big. We borrow 1, then there is 13, and there remain 8. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. and 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and there 6 minus 7 cannot, we borrow 1, then there is 16 and there remain 1. 16 minus 7, 16 minus 7 is equal to 9, and there 1 minus 1 is 0. Next examples. $730 minus 370. Next, 853 minus 292. Next, 165 minus 80. 80. Next, 300 minus 150. So 0 minus 0 is always 0. There remain 3. 3 minus 7 cannot, because 3 is small and 7 is big. We borrow 1 from this 7, then there is 13, and there remain, we borrow 1, there remains 6. 13 minus 7, we use line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We cut how many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. And here 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Next, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and 5 minus 9 cannot, because 5 is small and 9 is big. We borrow 1 from 8, it is 15, and there remains 7. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, and 6 minus 8 cannot, then borrow 1, then there is 16, and there remains 0. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, and there remain 0. Now 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 0 minus 5 cannot, then carry 1, then there is 10. 10 minus 5, and there remain 2. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now next, 235 minus 68. 525 minus 268. Next, 621 minus 522. Next, 812 minus 345. So there is 5 minus 8 we can't, then what to do? Carry, borrow 1 from 3, then there is 15 and there remain 2. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 and there remain 2. 2 minus 6 can't, then carry 1 from there, then there is 12 and there remain 1. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and there remain 1. 167. Next, 5 minus 8 cannot, then carry, borrow 1, then there is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 and there remain 1. Again borrow 1 from there, then there is 11. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 and there remain 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next, here is 1. 1 minus 2 can't, then carry 1, then there is 11. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and from this 2 1 borrow 1, then there remain 1, then 1 minus 2 can't, then borrow 1 from this 6, then it is also 11. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and there remain 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now there 2 minus 5 cannot, then carry 1, borrow 1, then there is 12 and there remain 0. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 and there remain 0 minus 4 can't, then borrow 1, then there is 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 and there remain 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Next example. $200 minus 25. 300 minus 124. 906 minus 557. 805 minus 796. So here 0 minus 5 we can't, then borrow 1, then there is 10. We borrow first, there is nothing, so we borrow from 1 these 2. Borrow 1 from these 2, so there is 10 and this 10 we borrow 1, then there is 10 and there remain 9. There remain 9. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 and this 2 from 2 we borrow 1, there remain 1. Next, like same, this 3 we borrow 1 from there 10 and this 10 we borrow 1, then there 10 and there remain 9. There remain 9 and there remain 2. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next, 6 minus 7 can't, because 6 small, 7 big. We borrow 1 from this 9. There is 0, nothing, so this 9. First there is 10 and this 10 we borrow 1, then there is 16 and there remain 9. There remain 9 and there remain 8. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 9 minus 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next, here is 15. So 5 minus 6, you cannot then borrow 1 like earlier. There is 15 and there 9, there 7. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Next, $476 minus 384, 632 minus 457. Next, 905 minus 630. Next, 791 minus 209. First, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. You give 6 line and cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and cut 4, then remain 2. Next, 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 we can't then borrow 1, then there is 17 and there remain 3. 17 minus 8 is equal to, you can use line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We cut 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9 and there remain 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, there 2 minus 7 can't then borrow 1, then there is 12 and there remain 2. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 and there 2 minus 5 can't then borrow 1, then there is 12 and there remain 5. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 175. Next, 5 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 5. There remains 0 minus 3. Can't then borrow 1, then there is 10 and there remain 8. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next, the 1 minus 9 can't, then borrow 1, then there is 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, and there remain 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next, we solve sum. Word sums. First question is, a forest had 856 trees, 289 trees were cut down. How many trees were left? That means cut down. How many cut down? 289, and it is what we do, minus 856. It is page number 56. Page number 56. 856 minus 289. So 6 minus 9. We can't then borrow 1, then there is 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. You can use line, okay, but there remain what? 4. Borrow 1, then remain 4. 4 minus 8 also can't, then borrow 1 from 8, then there is 14, and 14, there remain 7. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So how many trees left? 567 trees. 567 trees were left. Next, 120 children are going to a park in 2 buses. 65 children are in 1 bus. How many children are there in the other? In the other bus, how many children we take out? So this one also minus 120 minus 65. 120 minus 65. So there 0 minus 5 can't, then carry one, borrow 1, then there is 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and there remain 1. This 1 we borrow from there, then there remain 0, then is 11. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So here it is 55. The 55 students, children are there in other bus. So here we can write 55 children. 55 children. Next, Bennu collected 122 cells. Ajit collected 239. How many more cells did Ajit collected? So Ajit collected more and Bennu collected less. That means we do what it is minus Wajid collected how many? It is 239 and Benu collected 122. 239 minus 122. So here 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So Wajid collected 117 more cells. 117 cells. 117 cells. Next question. Maya has 327 coins. She has 138 coins more than Ann. How many coins does Ann have? So Maya has how many coins? 327 coins. Onu has she has 138 coins more than Ann. So 138 minus 138 minus 7 minus 8 can't, then borrow 1, then there is 17. 17 and there remain 1. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. There remain 1. 1 minus 3 can't, then borrow 1, then there is 11. 11 minus 2 is 3 is equal to 8 and there remain 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 189 coins. 189 coins. Next, $186 people are watching a movie in a camera. 186 people are watching a movie in a cinema. The cinema has 300 seats. How many seats are empty? So, how many seats are there? 300 seats. How many seats? 300 seats and out of 300, 186 people are there. People are there and we take out how many seats are empty. So we do minus. There 3, 0 minus 6 can't, then borrow 1, there is 10. From borrow 3, then there is 10, this 10, 1 borrow, then 10 there 9 and there remain 2. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, how many seats are empty? 114 seats. 114 seats. Next question. Rabi's school has 826 students. Nita's school has 238 student less. How many students that does Nita's school have? So Nita's Rabi's school has what? 826 students and 238 students less in whose school? Nita's school. So we do minus 6 minus 8. We can't then borrow 1, then there is 16 and there remain 1. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. There 1 minus 3 can't, then borrow 1, then there is 11 and there remain 7. 11 minus 3 is equal to 9. Oh sorry, 8. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Answer is 588. What? 588 students. Question number next. The temple in Rampur is 900 years old. The temple in Neil's village is 450 years old. How much older is the temple in Rampur? This also minus 900 minus 450. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then there are 5. 0 minus 5 we can't. So borrow 1 from this 9. Then there is 10. 10 and there remain 8. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So answer is 450 years old. Student, this is the end of this chapter. Practice at home. Thank you.